What's up, guys? A short update on the price of Bitcoin. So, as we talked yesterday, indeed we dropped below 95 and we had quite of the pullback after 92. So we touched this bottom line of this widening formation, which is kind of a support, but it's so sharp, so I wouldn't really pay attention to that. But yeah, here it is there, and we broke the upper area, the upper limit of this formation. But I would say that although it looks reasonable and looks like we kind of having a chance for ending this decline, which actually had the increase the acceleration at the end. We still had this just because there is finally again the correlation between the Bitcoin price and the price of equities, and S&P 500 also had a breakout of this support with like a false breakout, and then we had a strong pullback. And if we look at the broader area, broader range, then we see this channel, and we tested the bottom area of this channel, meaning that we potentially may have a pullback from that area and have it even lower. Or we'll see next week, maybe it will return to the inside this channel. That will be a bullish sign potentially. Still, that's the reason for the price of Bitcoin also having this rise. I would say that the important thing here is that we we collected the liquidity, all the stop orders, stop loss orders, and the liquidations below this lows, so 94.3 or something. So we've got here, and that is probably the highest possible point for this correction to occur. I mean, we can of course look at the Fibonacci, and I think it is 38.2, so it also matches perfectly. But I would say that if bulls are really strong, then we should see the end of this correction. And moreover, you can see that, okay, we have this ascending channel here, we have this ascending channel here. So potentially we probably should be able to see the continuation of the same kind of price action for this ascending channel, the same as we had here, but maybe with some kind of changes, like, for example, false breakout and then continuation upwards. So again, this is a fair possibility here that we are done with the correction. But as we discussed yesterday, I still think that it's likely that we would like to get lower, and my kind of a sweet spot here is around $80,000 to $85,000, and that would be the first point where I would think to consider maybe first adding to my long position on BTC. I don't want to do it right now. I mean, maybe it's a mistake, maybe we'll have like 200,000 next month or something, but I still don't want to take the risk. I think it's too much at this particular moment because the inertia is still so strong. So it's fair to assume that it may continue. So it's probably next week when we'll see the resolution on the S&P 500 price action, which will drag BTC one way or another. But in any case, that's what we should look at, and I believe that we probably see the Bitcoin dominance going even higher with some corrections as we just saw. But regardless of the direction, if that will be like the impulsive direction for the price, impulsive move of the price of Bitcoin upwards or downwards, still altcoins probably won't go up with the same speed as Bitcoin does. And if Bitcoin still continues going lower, then probably altcoins will depreciate even faster than BTC. Therefore, on average, the dominance will go up. So probably it's the only one thing which we shall pay attention right now is the price of the king, Bitcoin. We'll see about that. I will try to make update on the price tomorrow, although I think that the next week is the much more important than the price action during the weekend, but still we'll see about that. That's pretty much it for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.